sure that's a good idea? Oh, you forgot your pillow. You forgot your pillow. Oh. Is it a distraction technique?
Yeah.
I couldn't reach him.
Sylvan, can you say cheese? Oh, be careful. You make me nervous. Say cheese. Diva.
Oh, Diva's gonna come kiss your belly.
Kissy, kissy, kissy.
What do you say, Sylvan? To Diva. What do you say if you don't want her to lick? Remember? Say. Or no. What's wrong? Can you say that? Say. You're eating my hair. You're eating my hair. You're eating my hair. Diva's licking us to death and you're eating my hair.
Diva.
Say. Diva's like, you're on my couch.
Say cheese. Oh, you are so silly. Little boogie. Boogie. Diva.